Hey, if you are wondering if your fitness application works on your Apple Watch Series 10 without your iPhone, then yes, it actually tracks fitness activities without needing to be connected to an iPhone, because it has actually built in the sensors such as a GPS, heart rate, the motion sensors, and it actually allowing it to record workouts like running, walking, swimming, and more. And if you wonder what kind of the features work without an iPhone, so you get all of this tracking workouts like with distance, pace, calories, heart rate, and also the heart rate monitoring, step counting. There was also the sleep tracking, and the last one, from what I know, it was the blood oxygen measurements. Of course, only on models that actually support this, because if you have old version like Apple Watch Series 2, then it doesn't actually support the blood oxygen measurements. So yeah, that's all. And by the way, the sync the data and view detailed workout history or fitness trends, we will need to actually reconnect the watch to our iPhone. So without the iPhone, we will also miss notifications or calls unless the watch has its own cellular plan. So yeah, that's what I want to say. I hope that right now everything is clear to you about this specific topic, and that will be all. Thanks for watching.